So today we're going to be installing our Mach-E cargo mats. We just got them. Here's the part number. It is the Mach-E edition one and not some other branded mats because it looks more custom on the car. So without further ado, let's get to installing them. So as you can see, the carpeted mats that come with the car trap a lot of dirt, and we've only had this car for about 1 week. So that's where we got these nice custom mats, because hopefully it'll make it better and not trap as much dirt. So let's get right into it. So to pop these mats off, all you have to do is, you can see there's a little button or little area here, and you push it down and pop it off. Same with this one, you push it down and you pop it off just like so. Now we're gonna take this and move it. So these are the custom mats from Ford. So these two are driver and passenger side, and these two are rear. And you can tell that because this has the little area to rest your foot and for the brake. And this one is just square like for the passenger. And these two actually connect to each other in the back because there is no little hump like in most cars that have a second row. To install these mats, I'm going to place them in, align the holes, and pop it in. And it's as easy as that. So let's get this mat in. Always remember to align it properly, because sometimes then it can get messed up with the mat and the movement of the pedals and chair. So we're going to try and push this in. So that one is popped in. As simple as that. Now this one is a little trickier. So I'm gonna try to align it as best as I can and then pop it right in. So now that we got that popped in, as you can see, there's a big difference from the other one. You have it very custom and tight here, so no dirt can slip underneath into your nice carpet, and no liquids, and has nice rigid areas to keep grip for your feet, and looks really nice. Much better than the other carpeted one that comes with it. So now that we got that in place, we encountered a problem when we were first installing the mats, and we realized what it was. This one was not fitting in, and we realized that this one actually goes on top. So what it's supposed to do is this one goes on the bottom, and this top one goes then on and sticks into this groove that's right here, so that it can align properly and stay in place. So there you have it, installing your mats on the new 2021 Mach-E.